Hi, this is Billy Beck III from Billy Beck III Training Center. And today, I'm going to show you how to use calipers to estimate body fat percentage. Today, with me as always, is Super Trainer Brian Francis. Now, when it comes to using calipers, there are a lot of mistakes made, and mostly because people just aren't trained properly, especially personal trainers. First of all, there are many different calipers available on the market. Harpending calipers, which cost upwards of $500, lane calipers, which are a couple hundred, and then even AccuMeasure calipers, which are available for $9 or $10. But I'm going to show you how to use the Harpending caliper specifically and go through the protocol that you need to be accurate with your measurements. And it all comes down to science. And so to do that, you need to be able to get the same result again and again and again, one measurement after another. And so many times people make mistakes. One mistake people make is they guess. They guess where the actual skin fold site is. So we're going to, while there are many different skin fold sites, we're going to start with the triceps. So a lot of people just say, well, it's about right here, and then they're guessing. The best thing to do is to get a tape measure, measure, find the midpoint, and then I use a grease pencil or a marker, and then to get an accurate measure of exactly where I'm taking the skin fold measurement. Once you have the calipers, you want to make sure you take a skin fold of the actual fat and not just the skin. Most people pinch like this, and then someone ends up with 2% body fat. That's not going to be accurate. You want to make sure you place the calipers on the site of the location, pinch just above, and then pull out slightly. Then place the calipers on it, and make sure it's directly perpendicular to the limb. So in other words, you don't want the calipers down here. You don't want them up too high. You want them directly out. Then gradually let go of the calipers. Don't let all the pressure off all at once, otherwise you'll get a different result. Then read the measurement, let go completely, and repeat that 2 more times. Take the average of the 3 measurements, and then that is the number of millimeters at that specific site. Repeat that for the other sites, punch it into the formula, and then you have an accurate estimation of body fat percentage using calipers. I'm Billy Beck III, and this is how to use calipers to estimate body fat percentage.